Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows activation error 0xC004F211. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix, right click on your start menu, click on settings right here. Now this window will open. So what you're going to do is just go ahead over to the left panel. Under Home, we have you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. So click on Activate Now. Now you can go ahead and retype the product key if you have the copy of the code, okay? If not, you can go ahead and click on Troubleshoot and just follow simple prompts. Now, in this prompt, you would want to go ahead and click on a changed hardware of this device recently, okay? Click on this option and it will just ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So usually, your key or license is tied to your Microsoft account. So just go ahead and sign in, hit on next, follow simple prompts, and once done, it will ask you to restart computer. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if all else fails, again, you could go ahead and try to retype the product key right here. If that still will work, okay, if you're sure that you have bought a product key from Microsoft, well, you can just go ahead and click on Get Help right here and just sign in to contact Microsoft support. Okay? And that is how you fix Windows activation error 0xC004F211. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.